Today's video is going to be an unboxing video of the new dual MotoProCam system provided to me by the kind people over at the Top Dog Electronics. Now what this camera system essentially is a dash camera system designed for a motorcycle. In this video I'm going to be unboxing the cameras and explaining a little bit about the system. My next video will be an installation video and a how-to, and then I'll do a complete review of the system after that. Also, as a disclaimer, Top Dog is not paying me to make this video. They simply wanted me to test out their product for them and share my opinions with all of you. Anyway, let's get on to the video.
Alright, so we're gonna get to it. Let's open it up, see what's inside. Got an owner's manual. Came with a SD card, 32 gigabyte. What's this? This is the screen. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, it has a screen that kind of goes on the bottom of it. Got some more connections. Some more connections. So these are all the GoPro mounts. I guess it uses the exact same things as the GoPros, pretty much. Here's one of the cameras. Here's some more hardware. And here's the other camera. Let's go ahead and open this up. See what's inside. Okay, so this is one of the cameras. You can see that is pretty stealthy looking. Look at that thing. Like, just to put into perspective, this is a GoPro, and you can just see that is that is so much smaller. Gonna be able to conceal this thing nice right underneath the fairing.
Now these cameras are 1080p capable, are waterproof, have loop recording, and have night vision. Along with that, you have an SOS button which is used to lock videos and switch between photo and video mode quickly. The 3.5-inch TFT display is very good quality and easy to use. You are also able to customize which camera you can view via the screen. Also, there is an app where you can download for free on your phone that allows you to control the camera system, which is very handy for those of us who enjoy using our smartphones.
So it's kind of difficult to see, but there are more buttons. Okay, you have mode, menu, down and up. And those buttons will allow you to cycle through the menu. So I could sit here and it's pretty cool. You can change which camera is seeing. So you can have it like a picture-in-picture mode where you'll have one camera and then another one behind it. And you can also just have one camera. So say you only wanted the back camera to be showing, you could only have the back camera showing and you would just see that. It will turn on automatically when it gets power. So if you have something powering this up, like say your electrical system, it'll automatically turn on. And if the power's cut off, then after a few minutes it'll turn off on its own, so it will not drain your battery. Now I know this is not going to come out in the camera very well because I'm filming a TFT display with a lens. It's just not going to look that good. But I promise you guys, in person, this display right here, this 3.5-inch TFT display, it looks really crisp. It's actually really nice, and honestly the quality of the cameras is very nice as well. I can't wait to see how they'll look on the bike.
Well, that's it for this video. As you can probably tell, this camera system comes with a lot of stuff and seems to be a really good quality and a great value. Of course, we will not know for sure until it's already installed on the bike and the real test can begin. Thank you all for watching. If you want to know more about the camera system, then I'll have a link in the description for you to check it out. It's very affordable. At $300, it costs less than a GoPro, and you can get two of them instead of one and a TFT display. Honestly, it's an absolute bargain. Hopefully it functions as well as I think it will, but you'll have to find that out in the next video. Take care, and bye-bye.